Dyno day. We got heads and cam put on the trailer. We have a new cam shaft from NK Performance. Yeah. Jeffrey's gonna put that in for us because I don't know what I'm doing and don't have time. And we have Higgins heads with the JJ on it. That's gonna give it the extra HPs. Oh, get it to focus. Sweet port job. New valves, new springs. And a Jeff.
Two heads.
No, that's his mission. Man, they really do a nice job. And saying that, I've only ever seen, like, you know, heads that have been ported with a die grinder, so Mopar things. And Jeff asked if I could gap some plugs before we get to the dyno, just so it saves us a bit of time. And I'm gapping away, and I've got little notes in all my spark plugs from Jeff. I don't know if you can see that. Backstory to this, when he was doing the heads, turns out I didn't tighten up the spark plugs all the way and they were all a little bit loose, so he calls me soft hands now. So we got use those soft hands and tighten me up. This is a treat. This actually makes a really tedious task quite entertaining. And they're very small. Like, he went to a lot of effort to do this. I'm impressed. He doubled up. Use those soft hands to tighten me up. I was expecting a different one each time. To say I'm disappointed, Jeff. What's this one say? Oh, this has got 2 in it. Excitement. Please, Daddy, make me tight. Don't forget to tighten me, Daddy. Boss has just gone back from the survey to get some ice. Hopefully Red Bull. Oh, is she gonna back into that? Let's see if she backs into the trailer. She knows I'm judging her right now. Oh no, she got it. I really enjoyed this, so I hope every time I open up spark plugs there's little notes in there. I will pay extra though if there's a different note in each spark plug. Maybe even some riddles. I had notes on all my spark plugs.
Morning, Mr. Jeffrey.
Yes, I admire his commitment. However, he loses points for them being the same. There was only like 2 or 3 different ones.
It should have been.
Definitely should have been 8 different ones. You let us down, man.
Or 7, because there was only 1 that was actually in properly.
Yeah.
I'm going to say that was the one I did.
Definitely wasn't.
Probably was.
So that's my morning notes, bright and early in the morning while I'm scapping bark plugs. Good English.
No, sparkle plugs.
Yeah, gapping sparkle plugs. All right, we'll see you down there. Peace.
So it's my first dyno day. Got Jeffrey somewhere, about to jump in a little Tirana.
Yes.
Glad it's him.
Yes.
I don't think you really want to do that, do you?
No.
Loud noises.
Loud noises.
So what did we get last time? Let's see. There we go. 761.9. What are we going to get today?
All of it.
All of it?
1 million horsepower.
What have we done? What did you do last week for us?
Heads and cam.
Heads and cam.
Yeah. So ported LSA heads and custom grind cam. So fingers crossed that gives us a little bit more, I guess, in the top end. I don't know what to expect the cam at. So
I don't know what it does. So we're just
it's probably just secret squirrel stuff, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, they were factory heads on it and Brian Tooley blower cam that were in it previously, and we just had Higgins port the heads and valve springs, valves, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, we'll see what happens, see what it makes. I predict it will make... It's hard to say because I don't think that had everything in it beforehand. So I think we get 850 at the hubs. We'll be pretty happy. So we'll see what happens.
I'm gonna go with 869.
You're a child.
Yep.
We'll see what happens. Around 850, I think that'll be pretty decent, but it's hard to say because that wasn't full go. That wasn't everything in it last time, was it?
It was, yeah.
Oh, that was everything in it?
Yeah.
Cool.
What are you guessing?
790 would be nice. Nah. If it does that, that would be amazing. But if it makes 800, it'd be amazing.
Cool. All right. Let's go. That was next level.
That tickled my brain.
Wow. I think we need the earplugs inside.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, thanks. Turns out we can't trust him on the way in.
On the way out?
All the way out.
Useless human being. I'm telling you, man, I'm a diesel mechanic. We're not trained about spark plugs. Don't know how to hold them.
See it, if that helps.
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
Got it. Winner.
Ready to go for another pull? Check the spark plugs.
Check plugs. Pull a little bit more time again, a bit more fuel, so we're up 12 horsepower on previous. So heading in the right direction.
Take two. Spicy in there.
Yeah. Busted a lead. I'm going to attempt to fix it, but Jeff's going to come in and take over in a minute. Because that's exactly what I do if I caught me trying to fix something I have no business fixing. Can't wait for people to judge me in the comments on this one. I don't know what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Just trying to get that there so then that can go crimpy on there like that somehow. And Jeff gets the crimper and then you slide it back over. In my head, that's how it works.
In Jeff's head, he's going to come and go, what have you done?
Yes, that's exactly what he's going to do.
How'd that go for you?
Did exactly what I thought happened would happen.
Oh, look, he took it off.
Round 3 made 788 horsepower. So we put the cheater pipe on it. Yes, cheater pipe. See what happens.
Cost us 4 horsepower. Needs to go in the bin. Bye. One last go to see if we can crack that 800. Where are you?
Yeah.
Woo. We might not have made 850 or 869. Got a 6 in there though. And an 8. Woo! Thanks, Jeffrey.
No, buddy.